So, how long has the house been on the market? Oh, okay. You know how old the house? Was? Oh, okay. It's just been building on it. Perfect. Thank you. I'll talk to my husband. We were just kind of want to get us. Probably when at the area, we just get a sense of the neighborhood. And so we the house. Wow, this is a very house. It's unique looking. Oh wow. Okay. You saw that one. Right. Okay.